So I have this image that has opacity and I would like to save it as a Tiff. So to save it, I would go to File, Save As, and then I would choose Tiff or PNG. So once I click on Save, I get this menu and I want to make sure that I activate or check the Save Transparency and then hit Yes and then OK. Okay, and with that it should be saved with opacity. So I'm gonna open a new file and I'm gonna test out that image just to make sure that it shows the opacity. So here is the image. I can see the opacity behind it. If it's difficult to see the checker mark, by the way, you can hit Ctrl K to go into the settings, and then you go into transparency, and then you get to choose how big or small that checker is. You can even change the color of the checker, just for your information in case that helps. So this now guarantees to me that this image does have transparency with it, or alpha channel.